Most people know that it is good to avoid high blood cholesterol. But what is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a natural fatty substance that's made in the body by the liver. High blood cholesterol is a risk factor in the development of heart disease. This is why it is important to have a balanced diet and a healthy active lifestyle. Herbalife Nutrition has developed Beta-Heart, a nutritious vanilla-flavoured powder that contains the key ingredient OatWell oat beta-glucan. The beta-glucans found in oats are soluble fibres that occur naturally in the grain and which have been shown to lower and maintain blood cholesterol levels. All you need is just 3 grams of oat beta-glucans to obtain the beneficial effect on your blood cholesterol levels. Beta-Heart is very easy to make. Just add 1 or 2 scoops of powder to a glass of water, juice, or mix it with your favourite Formula 1 shake to create a healthy and nutritious meal. Beta-Heart is also a source of protein, high in fibre, sugar-free, and contains only 25 calories per serving. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition member today for further details.